Hey everyone, Chelsea here from Recruiterbox. Today I want to show you how you can use the candidate self-interview scheduling feature to let candidates pick interview times and cut down on the back and forth with interview scheduling. To get started, you're going to click on New Interview, just like you're used to doing. When you're here, you're going to fill out the interview details, and then you'll notice you now have two options when scheduling the interview. On the left, you can pick a specific time, just like you're used to doing. This is perfect if you and the candidate have already agreed on a time for the interview. If you're not sure yet what time you would like to suggest, you can click this box to let candidates pick from a selected amount of times. You can then click View Edit Slots to change the slots that you're sending to the candidate. The great thing is that this page syncs with your calendar or the calendar of any of the interviewers you're inviting to the interview. It then shows the real-time availability and makes suggested times based on that. From here, you can see the blue boxes, which are all the suggested times for the interview. I can change the duration of the interview to change this availability as well. Additionally, I can exit out entire days or certain blocks so that only what I want to send to the candidate is listed. Once I've picked all of the times I'd like to have available, I'd simply click Save. From here, I have a templated message that's already ready to send to the candidate. This includes a link to the interview selection so that they can pick their time for the interview. Now let's hop over and see what it looks like for Scott. He's going to get an email with a link to allow him to pick the interview times. When he clicks on that link, he gets access to this page. This page will have your company logo on the top, and then it'll have all of the times that you've suggested for Scott. The great thing about this page is that it auto-updates as your team's calendar changes. So as long as you have your team's calendar synced with Recruiterbox, if another event gets scheduled on your calendar, or perhaps another candidate picks from an available time, those times will automatically be removed from the times available for Scott to pick. In addition, whenever Scott picks his time, we're going to auto-schedule it in Recruiterbox, and we're going to send Scott and everyone on the interview an invite to the interview too. So whenever Scott looks through the times and he picks which ones he's interested in, he can just click on the time, and it'll ask him to confirm. Now, the calendar will automatically send to all of the interviewers and to Scott. It'll also auto-book inside of Recruiterbox. So just like that, and with a whole lot less of back and forth, you've let Scott pick a time that works well for your calendar and his, and the interview is booked. You ready to check out this feature? Drop us a line and we'll be happy to talk about pricing to get it added to your plan.